Welcome to TelcoBrain Quintillion, the world's first techno-economic intelligence platform for digital infrastructure. Digital infrastructure powers the global economy, serving every industry, from energy and utilities to manufacturing, transportation, logistics, and financial services. But both the demand itself is surging and expectations for reliable, cost-efficient connectivity, cloud and AI infrastructure are rising even faster. Traditional tools are siloed, fragmented, and reactive. Finance sees numbers, engineering sees infrastructure, and across departments, from CXOs to managers to specialists, stakeholders remain misaligned. TelcoBrain changes that. We unify technology with financials, what we call techno-economic intelligence, and fuse it with a cognitive twin and deep AI models. By linking business, operational, and technical data, we unlock higher efficiency and smarter outcomes. The result? A live platform that thinks before you act, simulates before you spend, and makes every decision explainable, measurable, and aligned to business goals. Organizations can cut up to 50% of TCO, accelerate transformation by 80%, reduce time to decision by 95%, and grow revenue by 15% plus, all while ensuring vendor neutrality and embedding sustainability. TelcoBrain Quintillion, the world's first techno-economic intelligence platform.